So the other day I got a message from Macy's. They were running a special deal. I don't usually buy from Macy's. Nothing against Macy's. I just think I will rather not pay full retail price. And I just don't go with them because a lot of times they don't carry the newer fragrances. So anyhow, they were selling Jimmy Choo Urban Hero, which if you haven't heard, this is an amazing fragrance. I love it so much. The DNA is perfect. They were selling it on a deal. I think I had paid $35 for it. And I thought, well, that's really good. I'll do it. Um, it doesn't last. I wore it as my scent of the day yesterday. I was all excited because the DNA of this is perfect. The atomizer, oh, let's see if I can get it off. The problem with this bottle is the lid like glues on, which, hey, maybe that's a good thing. You can hold it by the lid. Atomizer, look at that. It's actually pretty good. It has a little bit of a similarity to Invictus in the sense of the way they do sweetness with Invictus. It doesn't smell like Invictus. This isn't like a, oh my gosh, Jimmy, you did an Invictus fragrance. It's similar, but it does it in its own way. So it's kind of like how Mont Blanc did Explorer. It's not Invictus. It's Invictus-inspired alternative. And I think that's kind of what you could say with this. But it has amazing qualities to it. I love this fragrance. I'm really a big fan of it. I just wish it lasted. I got about 4 hours and then just kind of poofed into the ether and disappeared. So I don't know that I'm gonna be wearing this very often. I think this is a perfect, after the gym, just spray it on, know you smell better. Again, showering is more important. But if you can't shower and you have to do something, I will accept you can apply this. It's a good fragrance. And for the size of this bottle, it's a 50 ml. Dump it in your gym bag and don't even think about it until you need to just top it off. Now, if you want to wear it and you want to just take it with you and keep it reapplying once it kind of disappears, go for it. It's a great fragrance, great DNA. I love it. I just don't know that I'm going to wear it very often because of its performance. Now, there was another fragrance I got at the same time, and that is this. This was $20 on Macy's. I don't know if that's a special deal or if they normally sell it for $20. I've never heard of this fragrance. It's La Maison de Abushan. Probably saying it wrong. I apologize. It is Neroli and Suede. This is a very interesting fragrance. So the way I describe it, it's like you're at a stream, say like in Italy, and you're wearing a suede jacket. It's very clean. It kind of goes along the clean fragrances that are out now for females. They're really good. I love it. My sister has one. It is so amazing. But that's kind of the same DNA style of this. It's a very clean fragrance. It's uplifting. It's not aquatic like an Aqua de Jo where you're smelling all the sea salts and stuff like that. But it has a cleanness to it with a hint of suede. And this lasted 6 hours. Now, it was very skin scent-like, so this isn't a heavy projector. I haven't worn it, though, as a full wearing yet, so I might wait till the spring when it warms up and give it a shot then, or if we get a warm day, I might pop this on and just test it out and see what I'll think about it. I don't know where that came from. But anyhow, I kind of dig it. And for 20 bucks, this is great. This might be the best out of the gym fragrance, or even better, kind of similar to Molecule 01. Maybe this is an amazing base layer layering fragrance. You put it on, add something else, you get a clean suede hint to it. So I may put this in a future layering video and see what I think. Now, it does say Neroli. I don't get a ton of Neroli or a ton of flowers with it. It's just a very clean fragrance. So I'm really digging this. So anyhow, those are two new fragrances I just got. I'm getting the Tux in the mail today or tomorrow. Cannot wait to smell that. I smelled Tobacco Color in New York City at Bloomingdale's back in July, and I fell in love with that fragrance. I did not fall in love with the price tag, unfortunately, so I did not buy it, but I thought this is incredible. And then I found the Tux on Amazon, of all places, for, I think I paid $33 for it. And I was like, heck yeah, I didn't even think about it. I just bought it right away. So comes tomorrow. Probably won't be able to smell it until I get back in town on Monday, so I'm still excited though to test it out. So anyhow, I keep saying so. I apologize. I'm a very so person. Sorry. Nubs Fragrances. Can't wait to talk to you in the future. Please follow and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much. Have a great day.